Imagine working out 5 days a week, eating salads, and counting every calorie. Yet the fat around your waist refuses to move. You feel like you are fighting a losing battle against your own body. You experience energy crashes after lunch, intense sugar cravings in the evening, and a constant sense of irritability if you miss a meal. This is not a lack of willpower, and it is not just about calories. This is a biological state called insulin resistance. Your cells have effectively locked their doors, and the energy from your food has nowhere to go but into storage. Today, we are moving past outdated weight loss advice to look at the cellular reality of why you are storing fat. We are exploring how your hormones dictate your results, and how you can finally flip the switch from fat storage to fat burning. This is the grounded, practical truth about insulin and how to reclaim your metabolic health. To understand why you can't lose weight, you have to understand the role of insulin. Think of insulin as a key that opens the doors to your cells so they can use sugar for energy. In a healthy body, the door opens, the sugar enters, and you feel energized. But in a state of insulin resistance, the locks have become jammed. Your pancreas pumps out more and more insulin, trying to force the doors open, but the cells remain closed. This leaves your blood saturated with high levels of both sugar and insulin. High insulin is a powerful chemical signal that tells your body one thing: store fat and never burn it. As long as your insulin levels are chronically high, it is biochemically impossible to access your stored body fat for fuel. You aren't overeating. You are internally starving because your energy is trapped in your fat cells. Insulin resistance is not just about what you eat. It is about how your body processes stress and inflammation. When you are constantly stressed, your body produces cortisol. Cortisol's primary job is to dump sugar into your bloodstream for a quick burst of energy to fight or flee. But in our modern world, we aren't fighting lions. We are sitting at desks. This constant drip of stress-induced sugar keeps your insulin levels elevated all day long. This is why you can have a perfect diet and still struggle with belly fat. Your nervous system is sending a signal of danger, and your metabolism is responding by hoarding energy. Healing your metabolism requires more than a diet change. It requires signaling safety to your brain, so your hormones can finally find their balance. One of the most visible signs of this internal struggle is visceral fat, the stubborn weight around the midsection that surrounds your internal organs. This is not just padding. It is an active endocrine organ that pumps out inflammatory chemicals, making your insulin resistance even worse. It becomes a self-perpetuating cycle. To break this cycle, we have to look at the timing of our nutrition and the quality of our movement. Simple changes, like prioritizing protein and healthy fats over processed carbohydrates, can begin to lower the baseline of insulin. When you lower the insulin, you finally give your body permission to unlock the fat cells and use them for energy. Practical recovery starts with small, grounded habits that restore cellular sensitivity. One of the most effective tools is walking after meals. Just 10 minutes of movement allows your muscles to soak up glucose without needing a massive spike of insulin. We also need to look at mineral support. Chromium and magnesium are essential cofactors that help the insulin key fit into the cellular lock more effectively. By focusing on nutrient density and nervous system regulation, you are not just losing weight, you are repairing your biological engine. You are moving from a state of metabolic chaos to metabolic flexibility, where your body can easily switch between burning sugar and burning fat based on your needs. As we wrap up today's video, I want you to stop blaming yourself for a slow metabolism. Your body is not broken. It is simply responding to the hormonal signals it has been given. When you change the signal, you change the result. Healing is about working with your biology, not against it. If you are ready to stop the cycle of frustration and start syncing your lifestyle with your cellular needs, join our community at Soul Sync Living. Hit the subscribe button for more practical, grounded approaches to holistic health. It is time to unlock your energy and start living with vitality again. I will see you in the next video.